안녕하세요. Welcome back to Learn Korean Easily, Episode 2. Today is a big one. We're going to dive deep into the Korean alphabet, Hangul. If you've ever wanted to read, write, and pronounce Korean confidently, this episode is your ultimate starting point. Hangul is not just a writing system. It's a symbol of Korean identity, creativity, and logic. And the best part? It's one of the easiest alphabets in the world to learn. So in this episode, I'll walk you through the history of Hangul, the 14 consonants and 10 vowels, stroke order and mouth position, double consonants and compound vowels, how to form syllables, 100 real-word examples, and even mini quizzes to test your skills. Let's begin your journey to Korean fluency, starting with the most brilliant alphabet ever created. Hangul was invented by King Sejong the Great in the year 1443. Before Hangul, Koreans used classical Chinese characters, which were difficult to learn and limited to the elite. King Sejong believed everyone should be able to read and write, so he created Hangul, a scientific system based on how sounds are formed in the mouth. Hangul was originally called Hunminjeongeum, meaning the correct sounds for the instruction of the people. Today, Hangul consists of 14 basic consonants, 10 basic vowels, 5 double consonants, and 11 complex vowels. Let's begin with the 24 basic letters. Korean letters don't sit side by side like English. Instead, they form syllable blocks. Each block is one syllable and is made of 2 or 3 letters. You start with a consonant, add a vowel, and sometimes a final consonant. For example, ka is an a, han is pa planen, ku is I plus e. You can create thousands of syllables with just 24 letters. Now, the 14 basic consonants, P sounds like G or K, as in go. Examples, 고기 가방, 기차. Din sounds like N. Examples, nara, duna, dun. T sounds like D or T. Examples, ta, tari, toshi. The sounds like a mix of R and L. Examples, ramen, sarang, murli. Ki sounds like M. Examples, maam, mori, mur. Pa sounds like B or P. Examples, pada, P, pabo. Shir sounds like S. Examples, shige, saja. A silent at the start sounds like NG at the end. Example, 안녕. Tsu sounds like J. Examples, 자전거, 진짜, 지도 /ch. It sounds like siege. Examples, 차, 톡 order K. Examples, 코, 카메라, cookie. 화, stronger T. 타다, test, 토끼. 르, stronger P. Examples, 팔, 포도, 파티. Sounds like H. 하늘, 호수, 학교. Now let's go through the 10 basic vowels. A, like in father. Examples, 사람, 가다, 나라. 와야. Examples, 야채, 야구, 야간. Examples, 버스 먹다 어서 오세요. Examples, 여자, 여름, 역사. U, O as in go. 도로, 모자, 오리. Examples, 요리, 요가, 요즘. U, like zoo. Examples, 우유, 구름, 유. 유치원, 유명. Examples, 음악, 의자, 은행. I, like E. 이름, 이미지, 기다리다. When forming syllables, kai, kun, kang, plus a, yung. Vertical vowels go on the right. Na, no, ki. Horizontal vowels go below. Pupuku. Final consonants go at the bottom. Pap, mun. Let's build some words. Kabang, 학교 school 사랑of, 물 water, 물 wa friend. Now let's learn the double consonants. U tense K, 끝게다, 끼다. 인 tense 딱 때문에. 심 tense B, 빵 뽀뽀, 뿌리 tense S, 싸, 씻다, 쓰다. On tense J, 짜다, 쪼그리다, 찢다. Now the 7 compound vowels. 야, 애기 사랑해, 사랑 애기. 예의 에어컨, 예 예쁜. 예세, 와 사과, 왜 쌤, 좋아요. wait wedding, 왜 위험. 이, 의자. Now let's practice big Korean words. I'll say 20 slowly, then pick up speed. 사람, person. 이름, name. 하늘, sky. 물, water. 불, fire. 땅, land. 나무, tree. 가방, bag. 눈, eye or snow. 마음, heart. 시간, time. 학교, school. friend, 사랑, love, 엄마. 엄마, 아빠, 아빠. 고양이, cat. 강아지, puppy. 한국, Korea, 전화, phone. 음식점, restaurant. 병원, hospital. 영화, movie, 시계, clocks. bus, 기차, chair. 침대, bed. 문, door. 창문, window. 책상, desk. 연필, pencil, notebook. 교실, classroom. 컴퓨터, computer. 탁자, table. 공, ball, 운동, exercise. 텔레비전, television, radio, radio. 사진, photo, news. 물건, object. 색깔, color. 옷, clothes, 신발, shoes. 모자, 안경, glasses. 가족, family. 형, older brother. 누나, older sister. 오빠, 언니, 동생, younger sibling. 친구, friend. 선생님, teacher, student, 사람들, people. 연자, woman. 아이, child, 아기, baby. 이름, name, 나라, country. 도시, city. 서울, Seoul, 한국, Korean. 영어, English, 숫자나 번호, phone number, 생일, birthday, 오늘, today, 어제, yesterday, 내일, tomorrow, 지금, now, 시간, time, 날씨, weather, spring, 여름, summer, 가을, autumn, 겨울, winter, 일요일, Sunday, 월요일, Monday, 화요일, Tuesday, 수요일, Wednesday, 목요일, Thursday, 금요일, Friday, 토요일, Saturday, 숫자 numbers 하나, 1, 둘, 2, 3, 넷, 4, 다섯, 5, 여섯, 6, 일곱, 7, 여덟, 8, 아홉, 9, 열, 10. Now a quick quiz. What letter makes the sound M? Answer. Which vowel sounds like oo? Answer. What is the Korean letter for H? What does sarang mean? Answer. Love. How do you write bag in Korean? Kabang. What is the word for school? Hakgyo. Match the Hangul. Word, water, haner, sky, moon, door. Bonus speaking practice. 안녕하세요. 제 이름은 your name입니다. Hello. Now let's review. You've learned the Hangul system. Consonants, vowels, double consonants, compound vowels, syllable blocks, 100 core vocabulary words, and sentence structure. Amazing work. To retain this knowledge, practice 10 syllables per day. Read Hangul aloud. Use apps like TenguGo, Write It, Korean, or LingoDeer. Download the free PDF worksheets in the description. Label things in your house using Hangul. Let's now read 5 sentences together. 저는 학생입니다. I am a student. 이건 제 가방이에요. This is my bag. 오늘 날씨 좋아요. The weather is nice today. 저기요, 화장실 어디예요? Excuse me, where is the restroom? 저는 한국어를 배우고 있어요. I'm learning Korean. In episode 3, we'll start speaking greetings, introductions, asking questions, and beginner conversations. You're ready for it. 잘했어요. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in episode 3. 감사합니다. 안녕!